Today I want to talk to you about establishing a routine with working on numbers. If we were at school right now, we would be working on number 7 for our 4 turning 5-year-olds and our 5-year-olds. Our 3-year-olds would still be working on like numbers 1 through 3, 1 through 5. But you can use the same routine for those numbers if you want to. I happen to have some pipe cleaners at home, so I might let the children bend them to make the number 7, cross the sky, down from heaven. That's how you make the number 7. This is, I would write the word for them, number 7. That's another way to show number 7, but I wouldn't actually expect them to be able to write number 7, except for maybe some of my my 5-year-olds that are ready to go to kindergarten. Another way that you can show number 7 is with tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I might go on a number hunt. Again, you can have your child circle the numbers. If they're not very good at circling it, you can just use a piece of paper and have them cover number 7 to show that they know what number 7 looks like. Another way to make number 7 is with a picture. I just used pieces of paper and drew a heart. You can glue them on to make number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you could actually just draw them on the paper. I found some stickers in a drawer, so I can actually do my 10 frame, 1, 2, using stickers, 3, 4, I'm moving left to right just like I would be reading, 5, 6, 7. That's another way that you can make the number 7 with a 10 frame. I'm also shared a link with you on a video that I like to use with numbers. They have them for all the numbers, and it talks about subitizing and pictures and the word. Another way you can show number 7 is with your fingers. That's always fun. You can also work on counting collections. Again, I took less than a minute in the same room and I collected some objects. You can give them to the students to count and to make a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like to give them some kind of boundaries when they're making sets so that the sets don't get combined. Another thing that our friends like to do is to line things up, and that's okay when you're making a set, but I would give them a line that is a certain length so that they understand that even if they're lining things up while they're making the set, that it can't go on and on forever. You can't add the keys to it because you want to make sure you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 objects in your set because we're working on the number 7. If you're working with preschoolers the 3-year-olds, maybe you just want to string 7 pieces of cereal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that might be as much as you want to do with your 3-year-olds. I hope this helped, gave you some ideas. I found some corks. I found some rubber bands. I found some mini hand sanitizers. I'm just using whatever I have at my house to count number 7.